Ja, wie klingt eigentlich das Licht? Diese Frage hat ein Team bewegt, ein Projekt zu starten rund um den Nordlichtexperten Jettil Skogli, der zusammen mit dem Komponisten Mark Seyfried unterwegs war im norwegischen Tromsø und dort Nordlichter aufgenommen hat. Diese Aufnahmen, diese Lichtaufnahmen, diese Lichtwellen wurden umgewandelt in Tonwellen von einer künstlichen Intelligenz. Und der Komponist Mark Seyfried hat dann daraus eine Symphonie komponiert. Diese Symphonie feiert eine Weltpremiere in Wien. Im Brahmssaal des Musikvereins findet diese Weltpremiere statt am Mittwochabend. Und wir haben uns angehört, wie denn das Licht so klingt.
The northern lights have always been a source of wonder for me. The intensely beautiful colours and the way they seem to dance across the sky.
Artificial intelligence as a composer, how does this work?
Well, it's actually quite a complex process, but it's a continuous collaboration between the human and the machine in a way. So the artificial intelligence on the project was used to come up with music which it thinks it suits the visuals that it can see. Then those propositions were fed to the composer to essentially judge, to try to compose additional music to it. So it's a collaborative process between the AI and the composer, trying to arrive at something which represents what you see in an audible way. In the first place, Huawei came up with the whole idea for the project. They also have the phone which inspired us. They partnered with Unit 9, a digital production company who are sort of the leaders in artificial intelligence and creative development. But also we partnered with probably one of the most important people today, the conductor, the composer, the Aurora Chaser. They all actually played a key role in making the project happen and making it perform on the stage.
Sound of Light for us is an expression of the capabilities of AI. In your smartphone, your Mate 20 Pro that you carry with you on a daily basis. It's all created using the AI process within a Mate 20 Pro. We looked at how we could bring together nature, science and art all in one very simple piece of music. This is a blend between human and machine. This is a combination between AI processing, understanding an aurora from an artificial intelligence point of view, the AI creating a very bass melody, and then a human element introducing our composer and our conductor into the piece as well.